In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition and center an object's axis with the Axis tool and Axis Center. By the end, you'll understand two reliable ways to control an object's pivot so your rotations and scales behave exactly the way you want. First, a quick bit of context. The axis, sometimes called the pivot, is the point your object rotates and scales around. Moving the axis does not move the object's geometry. It simply changes the reference point for your transforms. That means you can keep the model in place while making rotations happen from a corner, an edge, or dead center. Let's start with the hands-on approach using the Axis tool. Select your object, then enable axis editing by clicking the Enable Axis icon in the viewport or pressing the L key. You'll notice the axis handles become editable, indicating that you're now manipulating the pivot itself. Use the standard move, rotate, or scale tools to reposition the axis wherever you need it. Perhaps snapping it to a corner, sliding it along an edge, or roughly centering it by eye. Switching to orthographic views can help with precision, and if you already use snapping or the grid, those can make placement faster. When you're satisfied, disable the Axis tool by pressing L again or clicking the icon. That's important. Once it's off, any rotation or scaling you perform will occur around the new axis. If something seems off, double-check that axis editing is disabled and that the correct object is selected. Now for a more automated method using the Axis Center tool. With your object selected, open Tools, then Axis Center. A dialog will appear. To center the axis on the object quickly, click Execute. This sets the axis so that its X, Y, and Z offsets are 0, giving you a perfectly centered pivot across all axes. If you need the axis at a specific location, enter the exact X, Y, and Z values in the dialog, then click Execute. Depending on your workspace settings, those values may be interpreted in local or world coordinates, so set them according to how you want the axis positioned. Once executed, you're done. Close the dialog if you like and continue working. To wrap up, use the Axis tool when you want direct visual control in the viewport, and use Axis Center when you want a perfectly centered pivot or precise numeric placement. Always remember to turn off the Axis tool before transforming your object and do a quick test rotation to confirm the pivot behaves as expected.